Yo, what's going on, fam? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Bro BD. Hope you guys are having a great day. If you guys can tell by the title of this video, I'm super excited. I'm about to do a chrome delete on the Q60. A lot of you guys have been requesting this video. I hope you guys do enjoy this. Yo, and if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Check out my other videos as well. But yeah, let's go ahead and get right into this video, guys. As you can tell, that's chrome right there. So I gotta take that and black that out as well. Such as this little trims right here that go around the windows. So all that is chrome. That's gonna be blacking out. Going to the back, I don't have any chrome in the rear. I did debadge it, so there's no chrome anywhere besides a little button right here. Moving on to this side, there is some chrome on the door handles as well. So both door handles will be blacked out as well. This is also chrome. You have the chrome on this fender as well. And then the wheels, I'm not gonna black that out, guys. That's gonna stay how it is with the polished lips. So I do plan on washing the car because it is super filthy. And you guys wanna make sure you guys have a clean car when you guys are working or wrapping anything on your guys' vehicle. Going over it with a clay bar that picks up every single speck of dust and grime that your typical microfiber doesn't pick up. So I'll be doing that as well, guys. So this is it right here. It's a little thing that I bought from Amazon. I'm gonna try to link it down below for you guys in the description. And I believe this was only $55 shipped. And I guess it's already cut out and trimmed for you guys. So all you have to do is just put the overlay on it and just take the adhesive off and put it on. So it's as simple as that. It shouldn't be too hard of an install. So let's go ahead and get this baby washed up real quick. Alright guys, the car's all cleaned up now. I just gotta dry it. But before I go ahead and dry it though, I'm gonna go ahead and just clay bar the trim right here, all the chrome, like I said, everything that's gonna be deleted here with the wrap. So I do have this detailing kit right here. This is just an instant detailer, and I do have this clay bar that came with it. You just want to go ahead and just lightly go over it. 3, 2, 1. I don't know why it says eBay on the tape right there when I clearly bought it from Amazon. It gives you an option to choose with the matte black and gloss black. I decided to get the gloss black just so it matches everything else with my car. Yo guys, and real quick, I wasn't gonna do this. I wasn't gonna black up the chrome just because it goes along with my wheels. But I saw this kit online and it's already pre-cutted for the whole Q50s, Q60s. Like it's already cut, and all you have to do is just basically unpeel it and just stick it onto your chrome. So that's absolutely insane. Check it out, guys. Wow, this is gonna be so easy. This is gonna be one of the easiest installs. I'm gonna start off with the door handles first, just because I think it's a little bit easier and just so I could get the hang of it, you know what I mean? So this is something that you guys want to definitely take your time with and don't rush it, because if you guys do rush this, this will come out shitty, especially because it's vinyl wrap. I do have a tool here with me. This is gonna help me out, smear it out and get it all evenly. Yo guys, this material is super easy to work with. It's like 3M material, so you definitely don't want to overthink this. Just lay down the wrap, apply pressure, and repeat the process to every single piece. So as you guys could tell, so far it's coming out super clean. I love how it's looking so far. Just tuck it in between the weather stripping and then just push down on it like that, like I said. It looks absolutely insane. I want to show you guys right now. It looks crazy. So I did start on that side over there first, and then when I started getting the hang of it, it's so much easier to do it your second try. So that's how it came out. There's obviously some imperfections, but you can't really tell. So me personally, I've never wrapped anything myself. Me and Eric did wrap the roof ourselves, so that kind of gave me an idea of how to wrap this. So once you guys get the idea, you know, once you guys get it down, for $50 is not bad, guys. I highly recommend you guys doing it, giving it a shot. To be honest, guys, I should have done this a long time ago. This changed up the whole look of the car. This little air bubble right here, I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, besides that, everything else is straight solid. Like, it came out perfectly, guys. I even did this right here, the door handles. Came over here, did the little vent as well. So yeah, definitely let me know what you guys see down in the comments. It looks super mean now, like the black with white and the yellow calipers, it just goes so well, contrast each other so well. So if you guys have time and you guys want to save yourself some extra money, because I know shops be charging like $200 or $400 for a chrome delete, this is definitely the way to go, guys. I'm gonna make sure I link it down below for you guys in the description. Like I said, it's only $50 and you guys could definitely get this done. Honestly, $50, I think that's the best $50 I spent on this car. Yo guys, as long as you guys take your time on it, make sure you guys clay bar it, make sure you guys clean your wood before you guys actually do it. You guys should have an easy time doing it. And the good thing about this little kit is that it comes with extra little door handles. So I know the door handles are the ones that you usually, you know, touch the most and you guys make the most contact with, since you're always opening your doors and whatnot. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video now. Hope you guys did enjoy this video though. If you guys did, please do me a big favor, drop a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, guys. That really helps me out a lot. And make sure you guys subscribe so you guys don't miss out on more videos, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.